Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Urbanavagatur. Today, we're going to revisit the Prophet Elias Monastery on Santorini Island, Greece, and learn about its history. If you ever find yourself on Santorini, looking up at the island's highest peak, you'll see something special perched on the summit, the Prophet Elias Monastery. At nearly 600 meters above sea level, it feels like Santorini's crown, a place where the sea stretches endlessly in every direction, and the villages below look like tiny white dots scattered across the hillsides. Getting up here is a bit of a climb, but the reward is more than just the view. If you like this video, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to not miss new videos. The monastery has been standing here since 1711, founded by two brothers, Gabriel and Ionikios. And from the very beginning, it was more than a quiet retreat. In fact, this place once pulsed with energy. The monks didn't just pray, they taught. At a time when Greek language and culture were under pressure during Ottoman rule, the monastery became a secret school, a guardian of identity and tradition. And they traded too. Believe it or not, the monks owned their own ship, sailing all the way to Russia and the Eastern Mediterranean, carrying goods and bringing prosperity back to Santorini. Of course, life on this volcanic island has never been easy. In 1956, a powerful earthquake struck and left much of the monastery in ruins. What you see today is a mix of resilience and restoration. Thick stone walls, fortress-like towers, chapels filled with icons and manuscripts that somehow survived the centuries. It feels ancient and enduring, yet still alive. Today, only a few monks remain, but their presence keeps the rhythm of tradition going. On July 20th, the feast day of the Prophet Elijah, the monastery becomes a gathering place for locals, with music, food, and celebrations spilling across the mountain. Visitors who come any other time of year can wander through the small museum, admire its treasures, and even taste a little of the monastery's own wine and honey, still made here in small quantities just as it was centuries ago. What makes Prophet Elias Monastery so unforgettable is the way it blends it all: breathtaking natural beauty, dramatic history, and living tradition. Standing on its terrace, with the Aegean stretching into the distance, you can feel the weight of the past, the monks, the ships, the earthquakes, and at the same time, the peace of the present moment. It's a reminder that Santorini is more than just sunsets and beaches. It's also a place where history, faith, and nature meet on a mountaintop. Thank you for joining today for a short tour to Prophet Elias Monastery on Santorini Island. If you liked this video, consider pressing the like button and subscribe to not miss new coming videos.